wait, especially welcome to Wife's Cookbook.
Love in the air.
So for the month of February, we will be sharing a couple desserts or dinners to where we will share from our loving home to yours.
Try not to get hungry now.
And with that being said, we're also going to be trying out some very trendy or TikTok-y ingredients or recipes. And for those of you guys know, it's not only going to be delicious, but very cost effective. So for our first dinner that we are sharing for our loving dinner desserts with you guys, we are starting off with meatball and spaghetti.
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, so these meatballs you can pick up from Aldi, and then for spaghetti, well, our version of it.
My version of spaghetti, the one I am eating.
Cheese ravioli.
Because I'm not eating any soybean stuff.
Okay, so this is gonna be for me. As you guys know, with the situations going on, which is why we are at home, a large amount of us, we've gained a little weight, especially, yeah. So this is gonna be our version of a healthier option to spaghetti and meatball. Again, make sure that you keep on watching.
I'm hungry, so let's get cooking.
Oh, I can smell the love right from this saucepan to you guys. Oh my gosh, this is after it's been steaming for a bit. So now we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning, and then we're gonna add in some water. To lower that temperature because again, it's that steam.
Time for some hearty meatballs.
Well, this is interesting. Our first time cooking together.
Yeah, thrilling.
So guys, in the comment section, let us know whose plate right now would you actually want to take from. The soybean spaghetti that is nice, delicious, and healthy, or this ravioli that is what? Three
Can't even say the cheese. That's proof enough, people, that the cheese is better.
Now, oh my, this smells amazing. And Babe added a couple of his own secret ingredients.
Watch those balls.
Okay. I most certainly will. Thank you so much.
Yeah, add that sauce on the balls.
Okay. This is why this dish, you guys have to make it for Valentine's Day. Let us know. This is going to be one to top off the love there.
Do you like juicy ball? Don't let the little soy fool you guys. And our gals. This is the proper food right here. I don't know what soy stuff has to do with this, but goes better. Meatballs go better with pasta. Add some sprinkle here and sprinkle there of parsley. Not too much now. Now put it on here. How pretty that is. And now for the finishing touches. Dash of Parmesan. Look at that cheese. Who says 3 cheeses is enough? Looks delicious.
So guys, let us know in the comment section whose plate would you want? You want
Of course it'll be mine.
nuts? Or do you want to stick with the good stuff? That soybean spaghetti.
Or do you want a real meal from me? Or do you want grazing food? Come have dinner with us. Go big or go home, ladies and gentlemen.
Try the soybean up.
Don't
okay?
you dare. You will regret it.
Don't forget to check us out. Hit that subscribe button so that you can come back so that we can finish cooking some more Love is in the Air, dinner, or desserts. And so next time, make sure that you hit that like button and let us know down below whose meal would you actually take from. See you guys later.
Stay hungry, my friends.